Once the world was at peace and its beauty was absolutely stunning. The forest was vast, full of trees, providing us food and shelter to live. The animals were freely living. Everything was so clear. The air is so fresh. The water and sky was clear and blue. The land was clean and the grasses were green. Indeed, the earth was a beautiful place to live. But at this point, there is no denying the fact that our environment is changing. We didn't realize how special our Mother Earth was. We didn't know what we have until one day, everything
vanished.
The trees are cut down, which result to global warming. The air is polluted, the water is contaminated, the soil is poisoned. Look around, the roads, rivers are filled with so much garbages and most are plastics. Plastic here, plastic there, plastic everywhere. Through our actions, we are destroying nature and put the life of future generation in danger. This planet depends on us. We can work to create a small difference. How? Educate. To help others understand the importance of our Mother Earth. Plant more trees. Trees provide us food and oxygen. They help save energy and help combat climate change. Drive less. Refrain from using vehicles that use fuels. Conserve water. It will save us later. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Follow the 3 R's to conserve natural resources. And lastly, stop burning garbages plastics. Let us save Mother Earth. Remember, to save nature is to save us. If not us, then who? If not now, then when? The world is coming to an end, but it's never too late. A path toward a new beginning starts within you.